Is Relay Bank in Nigeria and also in USA? Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Is Relay Bank in Nigeria and also in USA? Before I get into the answer, I want to take a moment to talk about what Relay Bank is. Relay Bank is a digital bank that offers a variety of banking services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, and credit cards. Relay Bank is also known for its commitment to providing excellent customer service. Now, back to the question at hand. Is Relay Bank in Nigeria and also in USA? The answer is no. Relay Bank is not currently available in Nigeria or USA. While Relay Bank is not currently available in Nigeria or USA, the bank does have plans to expand its operations to other countries in the future. So, if you're interested in using Relay Bank, be sure to check back in the future. In the meantime, there are a number of other digital banks that you can use. Some popular options include N26, Revolut, and Monzo. I hope this answer has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Additional information. In addition to the information above, I would also like to add that Relay Bank is a relatively new bank. The bank was founded in 2017 and is currently available in only a few countries. Despite its limited availability, Relay Bank has already gained a lot of attention from consumers. The bank has been praised for its innovative products and services, as well as its commitment to providing excellent customer service. If you're looking for a digital bank that offers a wide range of products and services, Relay Bank is a good option to consider. However, it's important to note that the bank is not currently available in all countries. Conclusion. I hope this YouTube video script has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.